Hi folks, Art by Lee Murphy here, and I feel like I should do a better video of the campers, what's the progress with it, since I was inside it, or the other video, and really couldn't see the restored top, and I'm too short to look at the very top of the roof here, but it's all been sealed in and waterproofed, and I fit the door on to get the measurements for what I'm going to do. Instead of the little snaps that they have on here that seem to fail from what I see online so much, are these little rope straps where I will use snap clips. There's one there, and I want to do another one farther down. Ooh, and I can't seem to bring it back in. Anyhow, until I broke my riveter, so gotta go get another one. And oh, there's my little lantern again. And the door all fit into place, well, mostly fit into place. And as soon as I get that set, I will set apart to, or set into, dun dun dun, the granola bar from hell. That's what the texture it is, literally like an old granola bar. Nasty, and probably, ugh. Anyway, yeah, I really need to fix this floor before I do anything more inside so I don't follow through. But, yeah, it's kind of scared because I got all the easy parts done. Now the main body of the camper is the hardest thing, and I better get to it. But hopefully that was entertaining and maybe informative, and thank you for watching.